Hey guys, Josh and Autumn here at Adventure Roads. We are in Tucson, Arizona this morning. We got up to drive up, it's called Sentinel Peak for a sunrise view. Anyways, we're driving towards Phoenix and I'm starting to feel really hungry, and I'm going to show you why. This guy's got a barbecue cooking going down the road, so I'm going to have Autumn turn to it because it's going to be fast. Look at this. It's a pizza. That is awesome. So yeah, literally cooking going down the road. So fast food, 80 miles an hour. So anyways, we hope everybody's doing good. Thought I would share that with you. You never know what you're going to see on the open road. Autumn's running the camera there. So anyways, we're trying to catch up on videos, do a few more as we can. We're going to get home. We're going to visit some family here in the Phoenix area today. We're going to catch a flight tonight. Basically, we're doing a 24-hour. How long are we doing? We got up at like 5 in the morning, and we land in Detroit tomorrow.
At 5.
At 5 in the morning.
And then we have to drive 4 hours.
4 hours. Get on a tractor, start clearing snow, and then Autumn's going to get a good fire going, and I'm going to take a nap. So, anyways, we hope everybody's doing good, and have a great Sunday.